Welcome to another Windcast. Let's see what's on our schedule for today. Notehead. That is going to be interesting. The feature Notehead is one of the power features of the Heads1 library. It gives you a bunch of useful functions. One of them is to help you to switch between long and short articulations more intuitively, based on your playing or programming of sequences. Most libraries use key switching or controllers like the sustain pedal, for example, to switch between different playing styles. Notehead takes some work off of you and makes this process easier. I've recorded a short melody here, played by the bassoon 1. It uses short notes as well as long notes played legato. If you look at the interface, you will see that the patch always remains on the same key switch preset. The switching between long and short articulations is handled automatically by the Notehead engine. I show you how this feature works in detail. As you can see, the basic articulation for this melody is sustain vibrato. The playing mode is set to legato. Every instrument in Heads1 contains 6 short articulations of different length. They can be assigned to key switches, but with the Notehead function enabled, you can also select these short articulations via this fader. On its left it says original. This refers to the main articulation that is defined up here. So in this case the original would be sustain vibrato. Okay, since my melody starts with staccato notes, I choose one of the shorts in the Notehead area. I think 5 or 6 should fit. That's a bit too short. Okay. Now I can play the short notes, but listen what happens when I go on with some notes played legato. As soon as the engine realizes that I play overlapping notes, it automatically switches to the articulation set up here. The good thing is, I don't have to remember certain key switches while playing. I can experiment with the phrasing of the melody just by changing the way I play it. Or, if it's a recording like this, just by changing the note length in the piano roll editor. I don't have to rearrange controller data or note events for key switches. Notehead keeps track of your longs and shorts. I know what you're thinking. That's all good, but what if I want the first note of a phrase to be played with a sustain sample? That's why there's another option to control the Notehead engine. In this little box down here you can assign a MIDI control number to change the articulations. In this case it is mapped to my mod wheel. You can set it up to any control number that your tablet or your fader box is firing, or even use your sustain pedal. You see, this concept behind Notehead is really powerful. What I tried to show you in the last minutes is just one of the functions of this section. There's so much more you can do with it, but I want to keep these clips short and watchable, so there will be another video that will reveal what the other knobs and buttons down there are doing and how you get the most out of Noteheads. Thanks for watching. Be seeing you.